here's how you solve problems like this one. And we're going to use this as an example to kind of show how to solve any equation. So first off, we're going to rewrite the problem. We won't always do that, but we will this time. Make sure you do that correctly. And then to solve any equation, the key thing is you do the same thing to both sides of the equation. So here you see we have that -5. So we're going to add 5 to both sides. Because the whole point of that is we're getting rid of that -5 from what we're trying to solve for. We're trying to solve for that x. So this is going to get everything away from the x. That's our goal. This gets the -5 away from the x and moves it to the other side. So now we have just 3x, because the -5 canceled out, equals 9. And so this shows another key thing about solving equations, is that each line that you write should be equivalent. So we wrote 3x minus 5 equals 4, and then we wrote 3x equals 9. And those two lines are equivalent. And so every line we write should be equivalent to each other. So when we show our work, we're always going to do that. And so now what's the last thing we have to do? We have to get that 3 away. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. So that gets rid of the 3 there. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So that gets x equals 3. So we've solved the equation. And so what does it even mean to solve an equation? What it means to solve an equation is to find the value for x that we can plug into the equation that makes the equation true. So let's test that out. Let's replace x with 3 in this equation just to check our answer. So if we did 3 times 3 minus 5, I like to write equals question mark because that's what we want to know. Does that equal 4? And so we do that out. And 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 9 minus 5. We're saying, does that equal 4? And yes, that does equal 4. So we solved the equation because we found the value for x that we can plug into this equation that gives us a true equation.